everyone, I am Nipali Singla, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to discuss about the Unit 1, that is Introduction of Operating System. Here in this lecture series, we will discuss about the various topics of Unit 1. So let's start with it. The first topic that we are going to discuss in this lecture series is operating system and functions. In this topic, we will discuss about what is operating system, what are its users, what are the various functionalities, or we can say that what are the various advantages, disadvantages, and functions of various operating system. The second topic that we will discuss in our lecture series is kernel. So basically, the kernel is also known as the heart of an operating system. So why it is so called, we will discuss. The next topic is operating system structure and system components. Basically, we are having four types of system components that we will discuss. The next topic is classification of operating system. We are having the various types of operating system like batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multitasking operating system, multi-user, real-time, multi-processor, distributed, clustered, embedded, multi-threaded operating system. So these are the various type of operating system that we will discuss. The next topic is operating system structures. Basically, there are various operating system structures like simple structure, monolithic structure, layered structure, microkernel structure. Here in all these type of structures, we will discuss about the various different types of functionality that is considered in this various type of structures. The next topic is operating system services. Which kind of services that the operating system provided to its user, or we can say that the whole system that we will discuss. The next topic is re-entrant kernel. Basically, we are only having a simple kernel in our operating system, and if some user wants to make his or her system as a re-entrant, then we can consider this thing. Or the second option is that if any user is not interested to making his operating system as a re-entrant, then he or she can choose a system as a locking mechanism. And the next topic is system call. Basically, system call is a criteria that is provided by an operating system to interact between a user and the hardware. In this, various operating system uses various types of system calls, or you can say that various types of functions to provide an interaction between the user and the hardware. So these are the various topics that we are going to discuss in our lecture series. So stay tuned with us. These are the references that I took to make this lecture series. Thank you.